Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use your OnePlus Watch 4 as a camera shutter. In order to use it as a camera shutter remotely, go to Play Store on your phone, then search for Camera One. Now find the app and click on Install. In a moment, it'll also either automatically schedule a download on your OnePlus Watch 4, or you will have an install button under Available on more devices. I'll get back to you when it's installed. Now when it's installed on both devices, open it, first on the phone, to allow all the permissions. Now, for some reason, the button on my phone specifically is hidden, the next button under my controls, but it doesn't matter. I just need to point to it properly. It'll tell me some things about how to use the app and everything. Remember to allow the camera while using the app, the recording audio and everything else. Now I'll ignore battery optimization so the app can run in the background. Let's click on OK. Then it tells me to enable display over other apps. So let's go to the camera here, enable it, and go back. Now go to Settings Permissions and make sure that notifications are allowed. Remove permissions if app is unused is off. Battery is unrestricted and appear on top is on. Let's click on OK and then click on Permissions, Notifications, Show Notifications, go back. Also in Permissions, disable manage app if unused. And now I think it should be all okay. Let's try it. Click on the digital crown on the watch to open the app. Now let's allow notifications and let's approve here. Now the app is already open. You can see I can use my phone. I could also click on the notification to show the preview on the phone. Now if I want to take a photo, I can simply just click on the shutter button on the watch. It will take a photo. Now the photo is taken. I can later view it in my phone's gallery, like so. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.